What is quantum physics? Today, we're going to discover the amazing world of the super-duper tiny. Imagine you could shrink down smaller than a speck of dust. You'd enter a world where the rules are completely different. This is the quantum world, a place where things can be in two places at once, and particles act in ways that seem like magic. In our big world, things make sense. Balls roll, marbles bounce, and everything follows the rules we know. But in the quantum world, particles zip around like invisible building blocks, never sitting still and always surprising us. Quantum physics is the science that helps us understand this super small, mysterious world. So put on your imagination goggles. We're about to explore a universe that's hidden from our eyes, but happening all around us. Are you ready to see how weird and wonderful science can be? Let's go. Imagine a marble. In the quantum world, it can be red and blue at the same time. This magic trick is called superposition, like a light switch that's both on and off until you peak. When you look, the marble picks just one color. It's like a shy magician revealing a secret. And there's a twist. You can know where a particle is, or how fast it's going, but not both. That's the uncertainty principle. Quantum particles are the universe's tricksters, and scientists are the detectives trying to solve their mysteries. Think about a light switch. It's a simple device, isn't it? It's either on, flooding the room with light, or it's off, plunging everything into darkness. A very binary state, but a quantum particle can be both at once. It can exist in a state of superposition, neither fully on nor fully off, but a blend of both possibilities simultaneously. Imagine your favorite cartoon character being in two rooms at the same time. Unbelievable, right? That's what quantum particles can do. They defy our everyday intuition. They exist in a cloud of possibilities, a probabilistic haze where their location is uncertain until we try to pinpoint it. When we look for them, when we make an observation, they pick one spot to appear, seemingly collapsing from a range of possibilities into a single, definite location. If you roll a bowling ball, it follows one path, a trajectory we can easily predict. But a quantum particle acts like a wave, taking every possible path at once until it's found. It's as if it explores all options simultaneously before settling on a single route. Why don't we see cats in two places at once? It would certainly make life more interesting, wouldn't it? Because big things are made of zillions of particles, and their weirdness averages out, canceling each other out to create the stable reality we perceive. Quantum strangeness only shows up when we look at one tiny particle at a time, isolating it from the complex interactions of the macroscopic world. The big world is predictable, governed by the laws of classical physics that we've come to understand so well. But the quantum world is full of surprises, constantly challenging our assumptions and forcing us to rethink the nature of reality. That's what makes it so fascinating. It's a realm of endless possibilities and mind-bending phenomena. Let's see how these two worlds compare: the predictable world we experience every day and the strange, counterintuitive world of quantum mechanics. Imagine throwing a baseball. You see it fly in a smooth, predictable arc just as you expect. But if you throw an electron, you can't see its path. It acts like a fuzzy cloud popping up in surprising places. In our big world, things follow clear rules. In the quantum world, particles are full of surprises. We live in both worlds at once, a sensible world we see, and a magical quantum world hidden beneath. Quantum physics reveals a secret, magical layer beneath our everyday world. Particles dance, appear in many places at once, and keep secrets until the last second. This isn't just weird, it's how the universe really works. Thanks to quantum science, we have computers, smartphones, and lasers. The tiniest particles have a huge impact on our lives. So stay curious. The world is full of mysteries waiting to be solved. Ask questions, explore, and maybe you'll discover something new about our amazing universe. Science is a grand adventure. Go out there and explore. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science.